welcome to Blender Beginner series. Let's just learn a little more about object mode and edit mode. Whenever you add an object in Blender, you are in edit mode. Here you can move the object, rotate it and scale it too. It's like treating your model as a single block. You are not editing its shapes, you are just moving it around. But in case you make to but in case you need to make further changes, like you need to change the shape of the object. So here comes the edit mode. So let's switch into edit mode. To switch from object mode to edit mode, you just simply need to select the object and then press tab. Or you can also go to the left panel and click on the drop down button and go to edit mode. Edit mode lets you go inside the object and make its actual changes like geometry, blending it, cutting, reshaping, and many more. So now let's explore the edit mode. There are there are three main things you work with in edit mode, which is this is the vertex select mode, this is edge select, and this is face select. As the name suggests, vertex are the tiny dots that defines the corners. You can select that and scale it, grab it, and do further changes. Likewise, if you go to edge select, then you can select the whole edge and make the changes. Same to the face select. And if you need to select the whole object, then simply select the part of an object and then press A. That's all for this video. In the next video, we will dive into edit mode and explore tools like extrude, loop cut, and many more. Until stay tuned, follow for more.